Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in Germany. First, you need to ensure your secondary school leaving certificate is recognized as equivalent to the German Abitur. This is a crucial initial step for all international applicants. Next, we will delve into the specific academic and language preparations required. Finally, we will cover the application process and what to expect after admission, providing a clear roadmap for your journey. To begin, your secondary school leaving certificate must be recognized as equivalent to the German Abitur. If not, you will likely need to complete a one-year foundation course, known as Studienkolleg, to qualify. Furthermore, a strong command of the German language is essential. Most universities require a C1 level certification. While some initial courses might be in English, fluency in German becomes critical for clinical training and patient interaction. Once academically prepared, the application process begins. You will typically apply through UniAssist, a centralized service, or directly to individual universities. Ensure all your documents, including certified copies and official translations, are meticulously prepared. Pay close attention to application deadlines, which can be as early as 6 months before the semester starts. Applying to several universities can significantly improve your prospects for securing a spot. Admission to medical programs in Germany is highly competitive, often relying heavily on your academic grades. Upon receiving an acceptance letter, the next crucial step is to secure your student visa. Remember to plan for living expenses, which typically average between 900 and 1,000 euros per month. Finally, explore various scholarship opportunities to help alleviate financial burdens and support your medical education journey in Germany.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.